Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name's Michelle, and for today's video, I have a Celine unboxing. I am happy to finally have these. If you know me, I have been obsessed with these for the longest time. So when I saw that Bloomingdale's was having a gift card promotion and these were included, I definitely had to pick them up. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up this box already. So I have already unboxed them and have worn them out already. This past weekend, me, my sister, my brother-in-law, and my husband, we went out to brunch at this new brunch spot in North Park, San Diego called Mabel's Gone Fishing, and these were a part of my outfit of the day. And these ones are the CELINE TRIOMPHE sunglasses in the oval design. And honestly, like, I really didn't think I would gravitate towards these as much as I did, because when you first see the oval design, it is quite intimidating, but honestly, when you put them on, the oval design just looks so good. And I think I have, what do we say, like an oval face shape? What do you guys think? But yeah, I really just love these. I feel like they are so different than like my Prada sunglasses. Let me see if I can find my Prada sunglasses so I can just show you the other sunglasses that I have been obsessed with. But yeah, I just feel like these are just so chic, and I feel like they elevate any outfit. You know they're Celine because they have like the Triomphe logo on the sides, and I just love that these ones have a gold hardware. And yeah, just after that day, I have been loving these sunglasses, and let me actually show you my outfit of the day. This is what I wore. I wore a white long sleeve with a cropped black puffer with a long maxi denim skirt, and then black ankle booties, and then these were the sunglasses of the day for sure. I will give you a close-up of these sunglasses just at the end, just because I feel like it'll be better than doing it like this. But yeah, I feel like these are so great for like every day. I feel like you can dress these up or down, and these just definitely elevate and complete any look. While I do love these ones in black, these ones also do come in a lot of other colors as well. So these ones look also really great in white. They look really great in this tortoise color. They also have like this creamy white color. I don't know what it's called, but I'll leave it right here. Also, if you are looking for something with the Triomphe logo but don't want the oval shape, Celine also has a couple of other sunglass styles, like these beautiful like rectangular ones. We have this kind of like geometric one right over here, and this one that they also have, and I'll link them all down below because these are just such great sunglasses, and they feel really, really comfortable on the face as well. So highly recommend. And I just love the subtle like Triomphe logo that, like, if you kind of know, you know, because they don't just say Celine. You just kind of have to know the logo, and that is Celine. As far as the casing that it came in this box, and inside of the box it came with a book. So it has like a care book that it came with, and it also came with this soft case as well, which is really nice, and it's not too bulky as well. The inside looks just like this, and it's pretty soft inside as well. It did come with a cleaning cloth as well that's all black, and it says Celine at the bottom. Because these are like a shiny glossy material, it is fingerprint prone, so just know that. But honestly, it's just so easy to clean. I don't think you'll mind. And yeah, I just love these sunglasses so much. What do you guys think about them? So again, I did get these ones during the Bloomingdale's gift card promotion, and usually like gift card promotions, they don't include like any of the good stuff, but I was so happy to see that these were actually included, because they usually just do like triple like loyalist points or something like that, which I don't really care for because I don't really shop that often at Bloomingdale's. But when I saw that they had this gift card promotion and that these were included, I just had to get them. So here's what the promotion entailed, and unfortunately it is already over, but maybe next time you can probably get something for yourself. But here's what it offered. So if you spent like a certain amount, you can get a gift card worth a certain amount. So since these ones were $510, I think I got a gift card for $125. And I'm still thinking about what I want to purchase with that gift card. I'm not sure if I want to get like a tote bag or maybe some makeup, but yeah, that's what I'm thinking of getting so far. But yeah, I'm happy that I found like a promotion on these so that I can get a kind of like perk with purchase. And actually I do have a trip planned to go to Spain in May, and I could have bought these over there, but I just want to wear them now already. I could have saved maybe like about $150 on these sunglasses, but I think I would get a lot of great use out of these like now versus waiting and just putting off the purchase a little bit later. So yeah, I definitely will be putting these to great use. So the other sunglasses that I have and have been obsessed with ever since I got them are the Prada symbol sunglasses. These ones have like the iconic kind of side shape right over here, and I have them in the butterfly shape. These ones I wear all the time in my Instagram photos. I just felt like I needed another pair of sunglasses, hence why I got these ones. But yeah, these are what the Prada symbol sunglasses look like on me, and I just love this unique shape, and I feel like these ones are very different. So to have like two black sunglasses but different shape, I felt like this purchase was definitely justified, and I will get a lot of great use out of these sunglasses because I do live in San Diego. Although right now it's very cloudy, I feel like I will get a lot of great use out of these because usually it is sunny here all year round. Alright, so now that I have shared with you where I got these sunglasses, how I got them with a deal, the different colors that are available, and the different styles that are available too, let me now give you like a close-up of these sunglasses so you can kind of see these up close in case you are interested in purchasing these yourself. Alright, so here is an up close of the CELINE TRIOMPHE sunglasses with the oval frames. According to the Bloomingdale's website, it says that these do offer 100% UV protection. They have the CELINE logo at the temple, as you can see here, and they do have it on both sides. It says that the lens width is 52 millimeters. The bridge width of the sunglasses is 22 millimeters. The arm length is 145 millimeters, and that it does include a soft case, as you see here, and then also a cleaning cloth. And it's an all black cleaning cloth that says CELINE. Why is this having such a hard time focusing today? And here we have it. These ones are also made in Italy, and here's what it looks like on the inside arm on this side, and then here's what it looks like on the other side. So here's an up close of the CELINE logo, and as you can see, it is a shiny gold, and I love that. These are acetate material, so I feel like it is a, how do we say it, like a fingerprint magnet. So you might have to find yourself kind of like cleaning them a little bit often, just because if you have like oily fingers, or if you just like put on lotion, or yeah, just have oily fingers in general, yeah, you might find yourself leaving like fingerprints on these sunglasses. But overall, I just love these sunglasses. See, you can see a fingerprint right over here, but I think that is a con that I'm willing to take. And yeah, I just feel like these sunglasses are made very well. They are pricey, but I think the cost per wear of them is going to be really good, just because I'm going to be wearing them very often, and they are going to last me for quite a while. So yeah, happy to finally have these, and let me know if you have any questions about these specific sunglasses in the comments below. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's video. Let me know if you have any questions about these CELINE TRIOMPHE sunglasses in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!